thought she said shit first before you open.
Is that it? I'm not sure. It was the entrance to...
That bit, okay.
The last time we came, it was in between lockdowns.
2021.
And we did a little tour, a little Harry Potter tour. Cute.
The big part. Why are they jacking of islands?
City of London. Do you remember on the way in and out of the City of London, got the market, got the dragons? That's fine.
Filming. Hi guys!
Hey guys.
So we're going to Horizon 22. I feel like we're so up high now. Scary.
I'm not afraid.
The walkie-talkie's tiny.
Oh.
The shard looks tiny. Yeah.
Now put your thumb like that. Leave this to the there. Okay, 1, 2. A little bit. Don't move. Okay.
Look. Oh yeah, work it. Pose. Work it. Smolder at me.
Sure.
Oh, yes, that's Sky Garden as well, isn't it? Just realised.
Ooh.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did enjoy it. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
It's taller than the shard and the sky guard.
Oh, the shard.
The shard.
I don't know. I don't know whether the tip of the shard is just a bit taller, but it looked like we were we're definitely up there with it, height-wise. I still think the shard's the tallest building. So me being me, I had to Google the heights when I got home, and the shard is just short of 310 metres tall, while 22 Bishopsgate, where Horizon 22 is 278 metres tall. But in terms of height, so measuring from sea level, the shard is still higher, but there's only 2.5 metres in it.
first before you open.
Please don't take the my sunshine away. Well,
It's just not us to see. They're us.